Hey everyone. So, in this video, I'll show you how to automate Stripe payment notifications using Zapier. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, it's perfect if you want instant alerts when payments succeed, fail, or get refunded. No manual checking, no missed payments. Everything runs automatically. Before jumping in, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account and your Zapier account. Also decide where you want to receive notifications: email, Slack, Google Sheets, or somewhere else. Zapier supports all of them, so you've got options. All right, now open Zapier and click on Create Zap. This is where we build the automation. For the Trigger app, search for Stripe and select it. Next, choose the Stripe event that should trigger the notification. Common ones include successful payment, failed payment, refund issued, or new charge created. Pick the event that matches what you want to be notified about. You can always add more later. Now, connect your Stripe account to Zapier. Just follow the secure login steps and allow access. Once connected, Zapier will be able to listen for real-time payment activity. After the trigger is ready, choose what happens next. This is where the notification comes in. You can send an email, post a Slack message, add a row to Google Sheets, or even trigger another workflow. Choose the option that fits your business best. Now, customize the message. You can include details like customer email, payment amount, currency, or payment status. This makes sure your notification actually tells you something useful, not just that something happened. Once everything looks good, run a test. Zapier will pull sample data from Stripe and send a test notification. If it works, turn the Zap on, and your Stripe payment notifications are now fully automated. And yeah, that's how you automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier in 2026. If this saved you time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next automation guide.